I don't like this. I don't like this. Hey friend, welcome back to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn, no Monroe, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, glamour, fashion, lifestyle, all that. Ask the people, and I drop some. Hey friends, so we have a small little drugstore fall lipstick haul and try-on. Hopefully I can speak throughout the rest of this video, but we have a fall lip try-on haul. All of these lipsticks are from the drugstore, so they're very affordable. So we're gonna get right into it. I have quite a few. The brands that we have are Black Radiance, I have Maybelline, I also have Wet n Wild. So let's get right into it, girl. Let's get into it. All right, so the first color that we have, it's by Black Radiance, and it's called Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream. So this is the color, and this is called, let's see here, it doesn't keep, the name of it is not on the package, it only has a number on it, but the seal that I just popped off says Smoking Hot. So, and that's number 5401. So it's Smoking Hot. I'll have the links below, so in case you guys want to check these out, you'll be able to. So this is Smoking Hot here. So it's just like a rosy, or more like a berry color. So it's just Smoking Hot. I'm just gonna swatch it quickly on my hand so we can try it on our lips. Okay. So it's a berry color, super gorgeous. Hopefully this can focus so you guys can see. Hold on. Can you see? Okay, there it is. So it's a berry color. So pretty. Okay, so the next color, also by Black Radiance, their matte lip cream. This is the color here in the packaging. It is called Divine Diva. So let's go ahead and swatch her. Putting it right next to the other color. So it's like a deeper berry color. So pretty. I love this. And I also got one called, ooh, I have the name below because I ripped this one, I ripped the package off, and I think it was called Naughty Brown or Hot Brown or something like that. But this is the color. I had the links below. This is so pretty. The number on this one is 5405. That's what they have on the package, 5405. But for some reason, I don't know why they don't leave the name on the actual lipstick. That's weird. But this is the brown. I think it's called Naughty Brown, if I'm not mistaken. So let's swatch Naughty Brown. Ooh, I like that. It's just a true chocolate brown. For deeper skin tones, this is a great nudie brown too, but if you are lighter in complexion, it's gonna come off as a very chocolate brown. So I really like that. So those are the only ones. Oh no, I got one more from Black Radiance. So let's go ahead and check that one out. So the next one we have is still Black Radiance. It's the HD Lip Sculptor, and this is it here. This is how it looks in the package. This is the color. So it's like a nudie brown. Or I don't know, like a rosy brown color. Really pretty though, really pretty. So let's go ahead and swatch that. I just want you guys to see the texture of it as I put it on. Look how smooth and pretty this is. Oh my god. Look how pretty that color is. So pretty, and it's so soft. All of these formulas are so like soft and cushiony. That's why I like them so much. Because matte lipsticks can make you feel a little dried out normally. The formula in these are beautiful, and it lays on the lips really nicely. So love it. Love it, love it, love it. So let's grab the next one. So the next one is actually by Maybelline, and when I saw this, it definitely reminded me of fall, this type of color here, and I was really interested in trying it, so I picked it right on up. This is the Super Stay Matte Ink is what it's called. This color is called, what does it say? I think it says Globetrotter, but I can't really see it, the reflection. I think it says Globetrotter, but again, I'll have all the information below. So this is the type of wand that it comes along with. So it's like a deep orangey sort of color. So let's go ahead and swipe that. So pigmented, look at that. Such a pretty color. Love this. I'm definitely gonna do this with a brown lip liner. Oh, I can't wait to try this on. And I have one more, and the next one that I have is from Wet n Wild. Now, when I picked it up, I thought it was matte, but as I'm reading the back, it says high shine. So I typically don't like shiny dark lipstick, but we'll see how this goes. So the color that I have is called, what does it say? Sangria Time. Sangria Time. So this is the packaging. Doesn't Pat McGrath have packaging like this? I don't know. Doesn't she? With the lips on it? I don't know, but let's see if I like it, because I hate that it's shiny. So let's go ahead and swatch it. Well, it says mega shine, but let's see how shiny it is. Okay, so it's not too shiny. I prefer matte, but this is not too bad. It's not too bad. All right, so let's go ahead and try these on, because that's what I'm ready for, girl. Let's put these on, and I'm gonna do them with lip liner, how I would normally wear it. So let's get right into that, you know. Okay, friends, I hope you don't mind. I'm a little bit closer, because I want you to see these lipsticks. So let's get right into it. I'm looking for my lip liner, what lip color I'm gonna do first, because I was in the bathroom trying to wipe off the swatches, and I could not get off the Black Radiance lip cream. So that's a good thing, but for swatching and trying on, it might be, you know, it might be a little bit of an issue. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do first and which ones I'm gonna do last. Okay, so let's start with the Wet n Wild's, the shiny one. So let's start with that. And I'm gonna use a lip liner, which is by Jordana. It's called Cabaret. I'm just using my camera as a mirror. So that's why I'm looking on this side. All right, so Cabaret is on. So now let's try on the Wet n Wild lipstick. This one. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like that. Like, I don't like that. I'm sorry. I don't know if you guys like it, get it, but I don't like this. I'm just turning it on so you can see. This is a no. Maybe it doesn't look good with my, I don't know. I don't like it. It's not me. I don't like that. I don't know if you can kind of see that iridescence. It has kind of like a blue sort of, I don't know, iridescence to it. I don't like that. I don't like that it's shiny. It gives me mature woman. I want to be mature, but I don't want to be like a mature woman. You know what I'm saying? I don't like it. Next. Okay, so I went ahead and took off Old Lady Gang. Call a spade a spade. Old Lady Gang, like I don't want that lipstick. Next we're gonna try the HD lip sculptor. So let's go ahead and try that one. So the lip liner I'm gonna do is by NYX, and it is called Prune. So I'll do that one first. In the comments, if you like that Wet n Wild, the Wet n Wild lipstick that I just had on, the Old Lady Gang one, let me know if you like that. Talk to me. Maybe I had the wrong makeup for that. I don't know. I don't like that. So I'm gonna put this lip liner on. I don't know if it was the right choice, but we'll see how it looks when I put it on. Feeling like I should have did a brown, but let's just see. So this is it here. I love the way this feels. Oh my god. Oh, it's pretty. It's almost just like a, it looks like a stain almost, like a lip stain. Girl, I like this. I'm gonna get the other colors. It had brownie color. I like this. This is cute. This is a cute rosy, brownie, nudie color. It's not too much. This is a nice get up and go sort of lipstick. I love this. It's so smooth. It is called Divine Diva. She's a go. She's a go. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so for the next lipstick, I'm going to use Coco Loco lip liner by Jordana. So that's what I'm going to have on for all the other looks. So just keep that in mind. So let me just put that on. This is my favorite brown. All right, so what lipstick are we gonna go for? Let's see. Let's go for the 5405. I think this is the Naughty Chocolate or Naughty Brown. Links will be below. Don't even worry about it. So I'm gonna do this one. What's in my hand? What lipstick is that? Whatever. So let's do this one. Ooh, I like this. I love this color. See, on me, it's even like a nice nudie brown. If you are lighter than me, it's gonna be a nice chocolate color for you. This feels, the formula in these Black Radiance lip products are so bomb. And it's comfortable. It's comfortable. That's really important. So this is hot brown, hot chocolate, something like that. I had a link below. So this, it's so pretty. This one probably would have been better off with a deeper, it's nice like this, but a deeper lip liner would have been better. Like a darker brown lip liner would have been really nice with this. So when it dries, it has a little bit of a tackiness to it, but I don't mind it because my lips don't feel dry. And I don't like to feel dry lips, girl. So it's a win for me. She's a go. This is pretty. Oh, I know we're not done yet, but let me live. I'm just trying to, like, you know how it is when you get ready. Like, girl, let me see. Let me take a picture of how selfie gonna look. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna go to the next one. But before we go to the next one, look, don't leave. Before we go to the next one, that tackiness dried. So now it's not sticking anymore. It's completely dried and matte. And Black Radiance, stop. Oh, excitement. Okay, the brown one is off, and I had to put oil on a cotton pad in order to get that off because it would not budge. But you know, oil breaks makeup down, so that's what I had to do. So I'm just putting back on my brown lip liner. And we're gonna go for that berry color, the lighter berry one, which was this one. So let's go ahead and try that on. I love these. I love these. These are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful formulas. Real, like, real shit, okay? It's a really nice applicator too because it is flexible. I don't know if you can see, like when I put it on, it bends. So it goes on so smooth. I love this. Okay, so this is the color how it looks before it dries down. When it dries down, this is a total vibe. When it gets dry, so this is it so far. You know, I really don't even want it to dry down because it's harder to take off, but I want y'all to see this. So it's a soft berry color, so it's super pretty. I'll give you guys some poses with this too. Oh, girl, so cute. I like this. So once it finished drying down, it's a smooth finish and it's not transferring at all. I can tell. I have to use oil to wipe this off. Oil, okay? But this is it. It's so pretty. You doing your thing, Black Radiance. Yes, you are. Okay, so now let's get, I already put my lip liner on. So now let's get into the deeper one from Black Radiance. So let's get into that one. Okay. I don't like this either. I feel like it's my makeup. I feel like I would like this if I didn't have any eyeshadow on and was just like a plain look and like a wing liner, I might like it. But right now it's like I'm not feeling the color, the shade. Well, actually, when I layer it some more, it looks better. I like it. Let's see how it looks dry, because when the lipstick is dark, I don't like that shiny look at all. So let's let it dry down and we'll see how it looks. But for right now, I don't even know how I feel about it. Like, what y'all think? You like it? I don't know. I like darker shades like this, but it just, the shade has to be perfect. And it has to be very matte for me to be into it. So I'm just letting it dry down. Actually, it's cute. I think it's my eyeshadow that doesn't go with these berry colors. I don't know. Actually, I like it. It's drying down. I like it. I'm getting into it, girl. I'm feeling it. Still don't feel that other one though. No. But I would do this with a very simple eye, no eyeshadow, just wing liner, lashes, lipstick, boom. That's it. This is a pretty color. It dries down pretty. I like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's go to the next one. I like this. Ooh, and my teeth look all, ooh, stop. Let me do the next one. Okay, so the last color that we have is by Maybelline, and it's the Super Stay Matte Ink, and it's the color Globetrotter. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on. This is the one I was most excited to try, so hopefully I like it. I hope I like it. This smells good. Oh, it smells good. I like this color. Wish I had on a white shirt though, because right now I'm giving you real Halloween, and that's not what I want to give. But if I had on a white shirt, it would look totally different if I was wearing something not as dark as this. Or like a denim shirt would be nice with this. A denim jacket would be nice with this. This is I like this color a lot. I'm just waiting for it to dry down a bit so we can see how it looks when it's completely dried down. Okay, friends, so it's dried down and I absolutely love this. This is another color that I would do with a very simple glam. I'm talking glam lashes, but no eyeshadow. A very clean complexion, like really nice foundation and highlight and all of that, but nothing on the eyes. And this lip, girl, different. I wouldn't wear this. I wouldn't wear black though with it. I don't like it with black, and I really don't even like it that much with my hair being out like this. Probably like if my hair was a little bit more simple. Like, yes, girl, you see how that, where's my other earring? You see how that comes through? Hello. So yeah, so this is a go. There was only one out of the bunch that I did not like. So, and that was like the cheapest one, so whatever. And we're all done. We're done. I don't have any more lipsticks. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the fall content that I'm going to be bringing to you guys. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, or if you have questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to check those links, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications. Come back and bring your cousin and your cousin's best friend and their baby daddies, okay? Bring all of them, because I'm bringing you all that. Remember from the beginning, all that? All right. Bye, guys.